time for a book. And our book today is called Press Here. Before we read our book, we're going to sing our book song. We need our glasses. Do you have yours? Okay, ready, set, go. Here are my glasses, here is my book. I put on my glasses and open up my book, and I read, read, read. I look, look, look. I take off my glasses and whoop, close up my book. All right, here's our book. Press here. Open up my book. Ready? Press here and turn the page. Whoa! Look, there's 2 dots now. What if we do that again? Whoa! Now there's 3. Now, what if we touch this one like this? It turned red. Let's do that again for here. Now it's blue. I'm gonna get the yellow. Ready? Beep, 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 beep. Now there's 5 yellow dots. Let's do that again on the red. Beep, 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 beep. Look at all the reds. Now let's do the blue. Beep, 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 beep. Lots of blues. What if we shake it a little bit? Shake, 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 shake. They're mixing up. Shake, 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 shake. They're mixing even more. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, they're all falling down to this side. I gotta move them back. Oh, too much. Now they're all on this side. All right, let's do one more shake. Oh, look, they're all in a line. Let's go all on the yellow dots really hard. Bam, 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 bam. It turned off the lights. Let's shake it a little bit. Oh, they're moving. I think I can blow it. A little bit harder. Oops, too hard. Come back, balls. Let's bring them back down. Okay, they're all back there. Now what happens if I clap the book? They got bigger. Let's do that again. They got bigger. Let's do some more. Bigger. 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 Small. And we're back to the beginning. I take off my glasses and whoop, close up my book. That's our Press Here book. Did you like it? Yes, I like it too. It's very fun. I'll see you next time for Book Time with Nina. Thank you. Bye-bye.